to the side. This is what you would have thrown away.
Oh,
It just went off some over here and some over here.
very good.
And like I tell the folks, and this I give the option to the customer. I've already cleaned this out for you. It's your choice. I can mix it all back up and let you work it, or do you want to go ahead and pull that out?
I just pull
We
it
won't
out.
we won't lose it, you know.
Just pull it out
But
since it's
it's
ready.
It's
Pull
up
it
to
out,
you.
I guess.
Okay.
I
Now
don't
what
know.
you want? No, I'll make sure you don't lose it if you want to continue on, because this is your experience. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you like. If you're happy with it like that, I'll be
Oh,
glad to give it to you.
Oh
That's
yeah,
fine.
I would.
Okay.
I would.
Because you
fine.
you still have the rest to do anyway. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay,
Okay.
let's. Okay, we're gonna put this now. Lean it right up against the trough like this.
Okay.
Okay, just like this. And then you want to keep the water away from the gold now. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to go ahead and put it in this huge vial, like I said. Now you heard the young lady say, "Oh yeah, they do charge you extra for this and this." Like I said, we don't. What you do is you hold the vial right in the middle. If you hold it in top, it won't work. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. You hold it in the middle, you submerge it in the water, get all the air out. The only time you really have to shake it is you see that little bubble on top?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you're going to use to get the gold.
Oh really?
Yeah. Now, always do the work in your pan, so if you lose a piece of gold, it falls in the
Good
pan.
idea.
And if you go from one pan to another, wait till you're done on one, and then hand the bottle over to the other one. So now here's the 4-step process. That's the easiest way I can tell folks. Step 1, with a dry finger,
That's good.
touch the gold. You don't have to scrape it, just touch it. Okay, now touch the bubble nice and gently, and it'll fall in there. And then in step 3, you touch the water. Okay, well, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Perfect. If you lose your bubble, okay, don't touch your pants. Just get your finger you were using. Touch the water here. No, you did not.
Pardon?
You didn't want to do that, because the 3rd step, you touch the water in case there's any gold still stuck to your finger.
Oh, to wash off the
It'll
Oh.
fall right off. Right now, if, I'm not saying you did, if you did, guess where it landed? So, 1, 2, 3, and then dry. Let me get you your bubble again, okay? There we go. Boom. There you go. Okay. And that's how we show folks how to now touch it. There you go. And then,
I'll just leave the rest of it.
it's
Well,
up to
you-
you. You
You
can.
can go ahead and put it in your bottle.
What?
Oh,
Well,
you mean for the next pan?
Yeah.
Oh, you could do that if you like. It's not going to go anywhere, sure. Are you ready to? Are you ready to try it? Okay. Let's
I'm
give her a
ready
nice
to
stick
get it.
and go shake it. Shake it. While you're working on that, we can work on. I see yours right here already. See how
good.
early it is?
Yes.
You should have a. Not all pans are the same, okay? But so this one might be a little bit better. You want to? Are you done? You want to
I
leave it?
think I'm done.
Okay, go ahead and let it go. Put the lid on your vial, and then I gotta get those down in there, else I just shake it. Nice, it's working its way down, Right now it's just jiggling its way down, way down. And so now, let's go ahead and do it together.
Okay. Go down
Yes, ready? Go way. Give me a real steep angle. Real steep angle.
like that.
Yes, real steep. Almost. Don't touch your.
Ooh.
Just, no, just go a little bit past. Give it some more angle. More angle. There you go. Just keep going up and down like that. I'm watching. Make sure you don't. More angle. I can't reach. There you go. Keep going. One more like that. Okay, I see a piece right there. See it?
I do.
So we don't want to lose it.
No.
So we're going to push it back and wash it real quick.
Okay.
Shake it. No, don't touch it. There you go. A lot of water. If you